Hello everyone, welcome back to VRR Tutorials. I am Krishna Reddy.
And I'm Lohit.
In this video, I am going to teach my son pronouns and helping verbs in Hindi. In the last session, we have learnt मैं and whom. मैं is a pronoun in Hindi which refers I and who is nothing but am. I am means मैं हूँ. Do you remember this मैं and whom?
Yes, I remember them.
Okay. What is the meaning of मैं in English?
In English, मैं is I.
What's about who?
Who in English is am.
Okay. Can you say some sentences using this मैं and whom?
मैं Lohit हूँ.
Okay. What does it mean?
It means I am Lohit.
Okay. Can you say your place?
मैं विशाखापट्टनम से हूँ.
मैं विशाखापट्टनम से हूँ. Or you can use मैं विशाखापट्टनम में हूँ. If somebody asks you where you know, you have to say मैं विशाखापट्टनम में हूँ, मैं घर पर हूँ, like this, okay? If somebody asks you where are you from, then you have to say मैं विशाखापट्टनम से हूँ. Say is nothing but from. Say is nothing but
From.
from. Okay. So where are you from?
मैं विशाखापट्टनम से हूँ.
Very good. मैं विशाखापट्टनम से हूँ. Where are you now?
मैं विशाखापट्टनम में हूँ.
मैं विशाखापट्टनम में हूँ. Very nice, very nice. Okay. Then how are you?
मैं अच्छा हूँ.
मैं अच्छा हूँ. Very nice. मैं अच्छा हूँ. और मैं ठीक हूँ. Very nice. मैं ठीक हूँ. मैं अच्छा हूँ. Okay. Then what are you?
मैं छात्र हूँ.
मैं छात्र हूँ. What is the meaning of छात्र?
Chat means student.
Student, right. Okay. Can you say all these things once?
मैं लोहित हूँ. I am लोहित. मैं विशाखापट्टनम में हूँ. I am in विशाखापट्टनम. मैं छात्र हूँ. I am a student.
Then how are you?
मैं ठीक और अच्छा हूँ.
Very nice. मैं ठीक या अच्छा हूँ. Very good. If it is a girl, how can she say that I am fine?
मैं अच्छी हूँ.
Very nice, very nice. Like that, we have learnt मैं and who in our last session. Now we are going to learn some more pronouns and helping verbs. Then our next pronoun is tu. Tu. Here you have the pronunciation in English. Tu. Okay. And hai. Hai. Okay. Along with tu, we have to use hai. Hai means are. In this situation, actually, if you use hai with tu, the meaning of hai would be are. Okay, if you use with another pronouns, the meaning of hai is. Got it? When you are using that hai with tu, the meaning of the hai would be are. Got it? What is the meaning of tu?
Tu means you.
Very nice. What is the meaning of hai when we are using with tu?
Hey means are when we're using it for tu.
So finally, you are. Tu hai. Tu hai. But a small point here which is very important, that tu is not formal. You shouldn't use it in your formal conversations because it is not polite. Here we have some description about tu. Tu is very informal you. Very informal, okay, you. Used with intimate friends, children or God. Used with intimate friends. The friends who are very close to you, you can use tu with them. And children, we don't need to give any respect to children, so that we can use this tu with the children. Then why God? God, we feel God very close than others, right? More than our parents and friends. Okay, we can share anything with the God. Okay, that is why we can use this tu with God. Next, not considered polite in general conversations. It's not considered polite in general conversations. So be careful using tu in your conversations. We have seen here some people we have to use with them only. Got it?
Got it.
Okay. Why shouldn't we use tu in our polite conversations, formal conversations?
Because tu is a very informal way to say you.
Okay. With whom can we use it?
We can use it with intimate friends, children, and God.
We are going to avoid this tu in our lessons. in example sentences, because if you are used to it, it would be somewhat impolite in your conversations. That is why we are going to avoid this too, okay, from our conversations and example sentences in the future. Let us see some example sentences using this tu and hai. Okay, we can use with our friends. Okay, so tu mera dost hai. Tu mera dost hai. Dost means friend in Hindi, so we can use like this. Tu means you, mera means my, dost means friend. Tu mera dost hai means you are my friend. You are my friend. Here we can use tu because we are talking with our friend who are close to us. You are a kid. You can say like this. Tu ek bachcha hai. Bachcha means a small kid. Okay. Tu ek bachcha hai. You are a kid. Next, you are a servant. You are a servant. Servant means naukar in Hindi. So, tu ek naukar hai. Tu, you, ek, one or ye, okay, naukar, servant, hai means here are, you are a servant. Tu ek naukar hai. Tu ek naukar hai, like that, because we don't give any respect to our servant generally. Okay, so that is why we can use like this. Okay, but we are going to avoid this too, as we have discussed. We are going to avoid this too in our next conversations and our example sentences. Yes, in this 5 or 6 minutes of session we have learned tu in Hindi, the pronoun tu in Hindi, which is informal, which can be used with our friends, children and the God, okay, whom we feel very close to us. In our next sessions, we are going to learn more and more pronouns and helping verbs like this. If you feel these videos are very useful to you, please like these videos and share them, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We are thankful to you for supporting us. See you in the next video.
See you in next video. Bye.
Thank you.